Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.3 question number 8. Question number 8 is find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Right? It is given that diameter of the circular table diameter diameter of the circular table diameter of the circular table diameter of the circular table is equal to 1.6 meter is equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore radius of the circular table 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 is equal to 1.6 by 2 meter, and that comes to 0.8 meter. Right? The radius of the circular table is 0.8 meter. Now area of the circular tabletop area now area of the circular tabletop area of the circular tabletop area of the circular tabletop is equal to pi r square, right? Pi r square, that is pi r square, right? The value of pi you have to take 3.14, that is equal to 3.14 and r means radius, that is 0.8 into 0.8, and the unit would be meter square because this is area meter square. If we multiply this one, that 3.14 into 8 is 64, that is 0.64. If we multiply this one, what we get, you see here, meter square. That is 3.14 into 0.64, right, into 0.64. Let us multiply this one, that is 3.14 multiplied by 0.64 0.64. We multiply this one, the 4 4 is 16, carry 1, it is 6. 4 in 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 4 is 12. 6 4 6 is 24. 2, it is 4. 6 in 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 6 is 18. Now if we add this one, that is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1, it is 0. Carry 1. 8 9 10. Carry 1. It is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. And the point is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2.0096. That comes to 2.0096. That is 2.0096 meter square. Right? Now if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, therefore it is 15 per meter square. Now cost of polishing cost of polishing cost of polishing of 1 meter square of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 15 is equal to rupees 15. Therefore, cost of polishing cost of polishing cost of polishing cost of polishing of 2.0096 is equal to rupees 15 into 2.0096. Now if you multiply 2.0096 with 15, what you get, you see. Let us multiply this one. The value is 2.0096. If you multiply with 15, 1, 5. If you multiply this one, 5 is 30, 3, it is 0. 5 is 45, 45 plus 3 is 48, 48. 500 plus 4, then 500, 5 to 10, and this is cross, this is 6, this is 9, this is 0, 0, 2, that is 0. 8 plus 6 is 14, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1, it is 4, carry 9, 1, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, carry 1, it is 4, carry 1, 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, that is, and point is 30.144, 30.144. Therefore, we can say approx is 30.14. Okay. Therefore, the cost of polishing. Therefore, the cost of polishing. The cost of polishing of 2.006 meter square. This is meter square actually. This is meter square, right? Cost of polishing of 2 point or cost of polishing of the circular table top. Cost of polishing of circular table top is equal to rupees 30.14, rupees 30.14, and that is the approximate value. This is approx. This is the approximate value, right? Therefore, we find the cost of polishing the circular tabletop is rupees 30.14. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.